Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This will be an update video of the thing that we are doing and what we're gonna be doing. Parts still not arrived yet, so let's get on.
It's almost 12 days ago that I ordered a fuel tank with a fuel tap. And I ordered also a radiator, but yeah, to this day it's still not arrived, so we have to wait. And while we're waiting, yeah, I check the mailbox every day, but still not there. So we're gonna put on some old clothes, start working in the front garden, because yeah, it's not a related project for this channel, but it is a preparation for this channel. Let us see what we're doing. Commercial time! Now you clicked on this video and watching it, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to follow the NSR journey or future projects. As you can see, we're cleaning out the entire front yard because this place needs to be prepared for the bigger project that I've planned. First step is removing all the stones and old materials. Once everything is stripped back to clean base, we will start rebuilding the layout as shown in the next clip. This is the driveway next of our house, and on the left of it, as you can see in the sketch, a parking space will be built for bigger projects. Right now it's one big mess, but I hope that the weather is on our side so we can finish this as soon as possible. Alright guys, this is almost the end of the video. I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel, because for YouTube we need to hit the 500 mark as soon as possible. Then yeah, we can proceed with the bigger projects. So if you want to do yourself a favor, you want to do the channel a favor, yeah, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. See you next time when we try to start the engine. Well guys, when I was editing the video, something did arrive. I still had some difficulties with my sound and the microphone when I was filming or recording, how do you want to name it. And yeah, therefore I ordered yeah, some external microphones. Let's unbox it. Package received, and yeah, still need to learn how to turn on the camera, so the unboxing is failed at this moment, but I still want to show you. To improve the sound quality of my speaking, I ordered a DJI Mic 3 set with 2 microphones. 1 receiver, some additional cables, connectors, all the kind of things. Also a nice A-tray to put it in. And let's see if this works better than the mic on my camera. Alright.